Ever wondered how one simple word like what can completely change the tone, meaning, or purpose of a sentence? Whether you are asking a question, expressing surprise, or reporting something, what plays a powerful role in English. In today's lesson, we are diving deep into the different types of sentences you can create using what, from interrogative to exclamatory, from relative clauses to indirect questions. These examples will not only improve your grammar, but also help you sound more natural and expressive in everyday conversations. So, stay tuned till the end and let's master the magic of what together. Here's a breakdown of different types of sentences using word in English, along with examples for each. Number 1. Interrogative sentences. Questions with what? Used to ask for information. For example, what is your name? What are you doing? What did he say? What time is the meeting? What makes you happy? Number 2. Exclamatory sentences. Strong emotions with what? Used to express surprise, emotion, or emphasis. For example, what a beautiful view. What an amazing idea. What a mess you have made. What a wonderful day it is. What a terrible mistake. Number 3. Relative clauses. Using what as a relative pronoun. Used to introduce a clause that gives more information. For example, I didn't hear what he said. She gave me what I needed. Take what you want. He knows what is right. This is what I meant. For conditional sentences with what if. Used to speculate or ask about possibilities. For example, what if it rains tomorrow? What if he doesn't come? What if we miss the train? What if I fail the test? What if they find out? Number 5. Indirect questions. Used to ask questions politely or in a reported form. For example, can you tell me what time is it? I wonder what she's thinking. Do you know what he meant? I am not sure what to do. Let me know what he decide. And there you have it. Now you know how the word what can be used in questions, exclamations, relative clauses, and more. Mastering these sentence types will definitely take your English to the next level. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more clear and practical English lessons every week. Drop a comment below using your own sentences with what. I'd love to see how you see it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.